When it comes to the world of compact SUVs and crossovers, the 2017 Mazda CX-5 stands out as a game changer. With its unique blend of style, performance, and affordability, this vehicle redefined the expectations for what a crossover could be. In this video, we'll delve into the reasons why the 2017 Mazda CX-5 is a true game changer in the automotive industry. Here we go. 1. Striking design. One of the first things that catch your eye when you see the 2017 Mazda CX-5 is its striking design. Mazda's Kodo Soul of Motion design philosophy is in full effect here, creating a vehicle that exudes a sense of motion and energy even when it's standing still. The CX-5's sleek lines, bold grille, and well-proportioned body make it a head-turner on the road. It sets itself apart from the mundane aesthetics of many other crossovers in its class. 2. Premium interior. Step inside the 2017 CX-5, and you'll find a cabin that can rival luxury vehicles. High-quality materials, precise craftsmanship, and attention to detail are evident throughout the interior. Mazda's designers have taken great care to create a driver-centric cockpit that is both ergonomic and aesthetically pleasing. The well-appointed interior offers a sense of refinement that's not often seen in this price range. 3. Exceptional driving dynamics. Mazda is renowned for its commitment to providing an exhilarating driving experience, and the 2017 CX-5 is no exception. It features Mazda's SkyActiv technology, which enhances both performance and efficiency. The precise steering and responsive handling make it a joy to drive on winding roads or through city streets. The CX-5 delivers a level of driving engagement that is often lacking in the crossover segment. 4. Fuel efficiency. In an era of increasing concern for the environment and rising fuel costs, the 2017 Mazda CX-5 offers an appealing solution. Its SkyActiv G engines are designed to provide impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Whether you choose the 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter engine, you'll benefit from a balance of power and efficiency that's hard to find elsewhere in its class. 5. Advanced safety features. Safety is a top priority for Mazda, and the 2017 CX-5 reflects this commitment with its comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. From adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring to lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking, the CX-5 provides drivers with peace of mind on the road. It earned top safety ratings in crash tests, making it an excellent choice for families. 6. Exceptional value. Perhaps one of the most compelling reasons why the 2017 Mazda CX-5 is a game changer is its exceptional value. It offers a premium driving experience and upscale features typically found in more expensive vehicles, all at a price that won't break the bank. When you consider the quality, performance, and style it delivers for the price, it becomes clear that the CX-5 is in a league of its own. Moreover, the 2017 Mazda CX-5 shattered the expectations for what a compact crossover could be. Its striking design, premium interior, exceptional driving dynamics, fuel efficiency, advanced safety features, and unbeatable value make it a true game changer in its class. Mazda's commitment to providing an exceptional driving experience shines through in the CX-5, making it a top choice for anyone in the market for a crossover that offers more than the ordinary. So, if you're looking for a vehicle that combines style, performance, and affordability, the 2017 Mazda CX-5 should be at the top of your list.